If using a VPN or changing your language to Indonesia won't work or enable you to make your Facebook profile to have a one name, then don't stress yourself in doing so. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily create or make a new one name profile inside your main Facebook account. If you are desperate to have one, then follow the steps on the video. That's right, you do not need to create a new Facebook account just to have a one name profile. Let's start. Open your Facebook account. Next, click Menu. Then click the inverted caret or your profile photo. Next, click Create Facebook Profile. Inside New Profile or Page, click Personal Profile. Then click Next. In the profile name, type your one name. Then click Continue. Next, click Create Profile. Your new profile is now being created. Your profile will be switched to your new profile with one name. Just continue with the steps if needed. If the Facebook Basic appears, just click on Continue. Nice! You have successfully created a one-name profile. Click your profile photo. As you can see, my new Facebook profile just got a one name. This profile is inside my old Facebook account, and there is no need to create a new one. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have a question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.